We just got home like 10 minutes ago. I'm so excited about this package I got delivered to the office. I'm driving to the office. It's only like a 10-minute car ride, but I'm driving back to the office to go get this package because it's something that's super cool. And I don't know, I'm nerdy. I'll show you in a minute when I get there. Oh, somebody on my team already opened it and checked it out. The idea is I'm gonna make, and by I mean somebody else, limited edition stickers for the Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals featuring different cars. This is a sample because that's my car, obviously. The second part of my idea is also super cool and much more related to the YouTube channel. But yeah, so if you want one of these Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals, you're gonna have to find me somewhere and see if I have any. But the sticker is basically the advertisement for the show. You can, obviously our website, this great quote here, Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals is the Pebble Beach of muscle car shows by William Howard Taft, event date, all that stuff. But the cool part, so this is like a flyer, right? But it's a sticker. Oh, that is so sweet. I'm so pumped with this. And you can stick the sticker of the car on something. And if you look really close, you can see we have the Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals sticker on the Hornet. Ironically, the car actually does have that sticker there. You can have a sticker of the car without having our junk on it. This is still a sticker too, you can cut that out. I don't know, whatever. These I think are so sweet. I'm so pumped with how they came out. I thought I recorded a video when I was buying these things, but I can't find the clips anywhere. So I found vintage Honda Chicklet letters. I've wanted a set of these for so long, like at least as long as I've owned this car. I'm in a Facebook group called Honda Dealer Signs, and somebody posted a link to those things. So I clicked the link and it was like 15 minutes from where I live, or 30 minutes from where I live. Ended up buying these things for a super good deal. I'm gonna take them back to the house and sort of like restore them and light them. And I think I'm gonna hang them, I don't know, over here or so up there somewhere. Small update here. I've slowly been putting this car together. I fired it up and drove onto the lift. The gas tank I have to mount still, it's just kind of loose. I gotta get a hose clamp for the fuel filler neck, but with some luck, I'm gonna drive this car pretty soon. Just for fun, I bolted the wheels onto this thing and the fitment is perfect. It looks ridiculous because I haven't put the suspension on yet, but definitely stoked with the fit of the DTM Fiberworks wheels. So that's gonna be super cool. The suspension did finally come. Actually, it came like a month or two ago. So here's the suspension, ready to go. I just have to take it apart and do it. Ideally, I'm not gonna do anything with this until I can get in that car, turn the key and drive it somewhere. So if you've not seen the video where I did this the first time, you should go back and watch it. I'll try to put a link in the corner. Put the trailer against the wall so it's not in the way. It's not scary anymore, but it was kind of the first couple times I did it, kind of a terrifying thing, so enjoy. So excited to get these things cleaned up and mounted. Earlier today, Laura was like, oh, so I noticed those Honda letters made it home. I brought them home so I can like start working on them and make them nice so I can hang them up. I have started cleaning this and I realized that I probably should be doing this outside instead, but I've already started, so this is what I'm gonna do. All right, so I got 2 letters done. The H is by far the worst, so that's the one I'm gonna start with. And then the O, so at least I have ho. That one's not bad at all. The thing that's cool about these is that they're the most faded on the top, obviously from the sun. When I hang them on the wall, you won't really see them from the top because you'll be looking up at them and the ceiling will be on the other side. So pretty stoked actually about how cool these are gonna be when I'm done.